Imagine stepping outside and witnessing the moon hurtling towards Earth at an astonishing speed, growing larger and larger with each passing moment. But what would really happen if the moon collided with our planet? Picture this. A dramatic shift in tides would engulf coastal cities, satellites would be thrown off their orbits, rendering them useless, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would become daily occurrences. Yet, amidst the chaos, a breathtaking sight awaits. The moon torn apart by Earth's gravity, forming a magnificent ring system akin to Saturn's, with shimmering rings adorning our night sky, and every evening graced by a mesmerizing meteor shower of moon dust. While the destruction would be catastrophic, the allure of witnessing such cosmic spectacle is undeniable. Now, let's journey back to 1977 when NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes into space, embarking on an extraordinary voyage to explore the outer realms of our solar system. These remarkable spacecraft, now voyaging beyond anything ever created by humanity, carry a profound message: the golden record, Earth's time capsule. A testament to our existence, it encapsulates the essence of our world through sound, images, and science, offering a glimpse of humanity to potential extraterrestrial civilizations. Fast forward to 1984, where astronaut Bruce McCandless embarked on a mission to test a space jetpack system, venturing into the abyss of space untethered from the safety of his shuttle. The chilling silence of space enveloped him, highlighting the awe-inspiring yet perilous nature of human exploration beyond Earth's bounds. Meanwhile, black holes, the enigmatic giants of the cosmos, continue to captivate our imagination. When these cosmic behemoths collide, they send ripples through the fabric of space-time, echoing the mesmerizing dance of celestial bodies. Detecting these elusive phenomena was a feat decades in the making, culminating in the groundbreaking discovery in 2015, a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of understanding the universe. Amidst these cosmic wonders lies the poignant tale of opportunity, the resilient Mars rover, traversing the Martian surface for over 14 years until succumbing to a Martian storm, delivering its final message. "My battery is low and it's getting dark," a somber reminder of the human spirit's indomitable will in the face of adversity. As we marvel at the mysteries of the cosmos, we're reminded of our connection to the stars. Every breath we take, every sip of water, every atom in our bodies, a testament to the cosmic journey that brought us into existence. From the heart of dying stars to the vastness of space-time, we are, quite literally, made of stardust. In the grand tapestry of the universe, each revelation, each discovery, serves as a reminder of our place in the cosmos, igniting a sense of wonder and awe that transcends the boundaries of time and space.